Hello guys, I hope everyone is well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve a very interesting SQL video and let's see what that is and we will jump into the solution. Okay, so this type of questions generally gets asked in various interviews and I have faced this type of questions before and let's see what that is. So basically, we have been given a table with only two columns, which is nothing but ID and speed. So we have, let's think about that these are the, cars or buses or something, for car number one, car number two, and car number three, and what the speed is for each and every vehicle. Okay. So what we need to generate is, I have written it down here, but it is not, let's understand that. So what we need to generate is we need to generate a range, or you can say like a rank or something, whatever you call. uh, what it would be like whenever the speed is less than 5, we will have to generate a rank. Whenever the speed is greater than 5 or greater than equals to 5, at that time we'll have to assign 0. Pretty simple, huh? So it's basically, let me explain it once again. So whenever the speed is less than 5, you need to generate a rank. Whenever it is greater than 5, we'll have to assign 0. Okay. And the another thing is, like, if you see for this area, right, whenever the speed is less than 5, it is 1. Whenever it is greater than 5, it is getting assigned 0. Again, whenever it is coming less than 5, the range or rank will get increased by 1. Okay, so if you see here for 40, right, so in 2428 the rank will be 0, and after that, whenever the speed is less than 5, at the time the rank will get increased by 1. Okay, so this is the question that we are going to solve. I think everything is clear till now, and let's see how we are going to solve it. Let's jump into the solution. Okay, so here, so this is the data. This is the same data that I have taken, right? This is the same data we have, right? Same data we have. So now how we are going to solve it? So I think there are multiple ways to solve it. I will give the script to the description box for you to solve, for you to go through and try different things out and let me know in the comment section how we are going to solve it. Okay, so now now what would be the approach to solve it, right? So first of all, I'm going to create a row number. Okay, so just or basically this is the row number that we have already, right? So let's create a row number. Why I'm going to create a row number? You might be thinking that there is a row number already available, then why I'm going to create a row number? So why I'm doing it, because let's just run that. I mean, let's just write the code. So I'm just creating a row number over order by ID. Okay, and giving the name as RN, that is a row number. And let's say I'm going to create and just you know but before that, I'm going to create the row number for only for only for where, I'm just writing the where condition first, where speed is less than 5. That was told, right, that we need to create a row number that when the speed is less than 5, right? For those, I'm creating a row number, and after that I am subtracting it. Okay, let's just run that, then I'll tell you what's going to happen. So if I run this, so we'll be getting a row number. See, the row number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, only for when the speed is less than 5, right? And I'm going to subtract it, okay, from ID. So ID minus this. Okay, so I'm just giving as difference in row number. Okay, difference row number, or difference in row number, something like that. So okay, right? So if I run this now, so we will get some sort of, uniqueness. Like, if you think, what I'm trying to say is, so this area basically, so this 4 rows where the speed is less than 5, and we are having a rank as 1, correct? Now 5, 6, 7, here the speed is greater than 5 or greater than equals to 5. The range or the rank is 0. Again, it is 2. Again, it is 3, right? So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to create a group number. So, okay, so like this 4 will be falling under the same group. Let's think about that this is the 0th group. Or this 3, right? If you see this 3, right? 8, 9, 10. If you see 8, 9, 10, it is falling under the same group. So when I'm creating in the same group, it would be easier to rank them. Okay, it'd be easier to rank them. So now for 13 and 14, right? If you see these are coming or these are falling under the 5th group. Think up like this. So rather than difference, then you can put group also. Now I think till that point it is clear, right? Till that point is clear, right? So now I've just put it into a city. Okay, so I put universal name as prepared data. You can give your own name. Okay, so now this, and if I run like this, it will give you the same result, right? Select star from prepared data, right? So if I run this, so you'll get the same kind of result. Whatever I did, I just put the select clause into a city. So if I run this, I'll get this, you'll be getting the same output, right? Same output. Now, what will be the next step? What would be the next step? Now, you try to generate, or let's put, you don't need RN or difference RN, you just take ID, speed, simple here. Just create the rank based on the group, right? How you can do that? Dense rank over, because what dense rank work, how dense rank works is I'll tell you. So order by diff rn. Okay, so think of that diff rn is a group. So this is a 0th group, right? It is third group. I mean third group. This is third group, right? This is third group, and this is 5th group, right? So what I have done is I have created a dense rank based on the group, and I'm creating a range number. So I'm just giving a range number, right? So that is what we need, right? If you remember this, that is what we need, the range number we need. So if I run this, you'll be getting a rank, right? Or range or rank, whatever you call. So you'll get a rank 1 1 1 1. See 0 0 2 0 1 2 3 4. That is 1 1 1 1, right? Now for 8 9 10 we are getting 2, right? 8 9 10, if you see, we are getting 2. 13 14 we are getting 3, right? The same way, right? Now but we need 0 0 0, right? So it's pretty simple. So what you can do, put it into a subquery, put this thing into a subquery, okay, as a, and we will write a select, you know we'll select some columns here. I'll come to that point later. Before that, what you can do is you just take table as A and put this as B, okay, and this table and this subquery, join it with a left join. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is in table, right, we have all the cards basically. So I'm just taking it as in the left side, and I'm just doing a left join with the query with these values, right, on a dot id equals to b dot id, right? So what will happen here is, like in the table, basically we have all the rows starting from 1 to 14, and here in this subquery we have only this, right? So for those, so what I'm going to write here in the select clause is, right, like a dot id, take a dot id, take all the IDs from here, okay, take all the speed details from the A table, and put B dot range number. So if you think wherever it is not matching with the left join, it is, I mean, I'm doing a left join it, right, with this subquery. So now in the table we have something called a 5 6 7, right? For those it will be null, right, because in the right table there is no data for them, right? So if I run this now, if you see, if I run this now, it is pretty simple. Like, I think you have done multiple times, right, in your code or somewhere. So we are doing a left join in the table. So with the table, so in the left side we have a table. So for 5 6 7, right, we don't have data here, right? So that's why it is coming as null. But what we have been told that we need to put 0, right? So that's why just use a COALESCE function. You might be knowing this, right? So COALESCE this comma 0. How it works is basically whenever this value is null, put 0, right? This is the COALESCE function, and give like as range number, right? So as range number. So if I run this now, we'll be getting the exact data. Okay, so this is the data that we saw it in the Excel, right? This is the same data, right? Okay, so this is something uh, what we are expecting, right? So it can be solved in multiple ways basically, but I have tried to solve in a different way, or maybe you guys can have a different solution or might be better solution than me. Just post the solution in the comment section so I can see. Okay, so if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and support me. Yeah. Okay, then we can again come back in a different session. Till then, thank you. Bye. Good night.